Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is lecture 19 of a hydraulic turbine and pump playlist. In this lecture we are going to see the centrifugal pump in series and parallel connection. Okay, so first we will see the centrifugal pump in series, then we will see the centrifugal pump in parallel connection. Okay, so why we use the pump in series? Because when pumps are connected in series, they yield high head then single one. Okay, discharge passing through each impeller is same. So you have to remember these 2 points that in case of a centrifugal pump connected in series, your total head will become the summation of the individual heads. Okay, but your discharge will remain the same. Okay, so the question is why we connect the centrifugal pump in series. Okay, so the answer is that when we want to lift the water to a higher level, then pumps are connected in series, because total head will become the summation of your individual heads and the discharge will remain same in case of centrifugal pump connected in series. Now we will see the centrifugal pump connection in parallel. The pump connected in parallel. Okay, so when pumps are connected in parallel, it discharge a great amount of water than individual one. Okay, so the purpose to connect the centrifugal pump in parallel is we want to get the higher discharge than the capacity of individual one. Okay, but the head remains same in this case. Okay, previous case the discharge was same and the head was the summation of individual. In this case the total discharge will be the summation of individual discharge, but the head will remain same. Okay, so its use is when we want to increase the discharge of pumps are connected in parallel. Each of the pump work against the same head. Okay, so this is your centrifugal pump in series and parallel in a simple way. Our next topic is priming in centrifugal pump. So what is priming? Priming in centrifugal pump is a process that ensures the pump is filled with liquid before it is started. Okay, the priming process involves filling the pump casing with the fluid to be pumped, remove air from the casing and creating a seal between the impeller and casing. So this is your priming in centrifugal pump, that you have to remove the air from the casing and you have to fill the pump before it started. Okay, next we will see some important MCQs of centrifugal pump in series and parallel, so that you will be able to summarize the topic. Okay, if the pump are connected in series, then their net head and discharge will be. Okay, so this is your question, that if pump are connected in series, then their net head and discharge will be. These are the 4 options. You have to select the correct option. So total head is equals to sum of individual head, discharge is same. Second option is head is same, total discharge is equals to sum of individual pump discharge. Third is head is same, discharge is also same. Fourth one is total head is equals to sum of individual pump head, total discharge is equals to sum of individual pump discharge. Okay, so we know that this is our first case. Pumps are connected in series, so their total head will be equals to sum of individual heads. Okay, H total will be equals to H1 plus H2 and up so on to Hn. Okay, sum of individual discharge and Q will remain the same. Okay, so first option is our correct option. Now we will see our second MCQ, that to increase the amount of discharge of water then the individual pump they are connected in. Okay, so these are the 3 options: series, parallel, perpendicular. So to increase the amount of discharge, this is our second case, that to increase the amount of discharge we connect the pump in parallel. Okay, so your correct option will be option B, parallel. When each of the pump work against the same head, then they are connected in. Okay, so this is another way to ask the question, that when each of the pump works against the same head, they are connected in. So heads will be same in pump in parallel connection. Okay, so your option will be option A, parallel. Okay, next is to lift the water at a higher level than the level of head of one centrifugal pump, we connect the other one in. Okay, so this is your question, that to lift the water at a higher level than the individual level of head of one centrifugal pump, we connect the pump in series. So option A will be your correct option. Okay, so I hope you have understood this video, and if you find this video useful, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel and leave your feedback in the comment section. In the next lecture we will see the centrifugal pump specific speed and model testing with the numerical also. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.